'Cause I'm really in love with you. When I'm looking just at you, I remember moments and my heart feels like you. You've been a big surprise. My soul now feels alive, and now I know the thrill to fall in love. 'Cause this is real love.
Happy birthday, Shan! Oh, order na kayo. May napili ka na, Shan? Ha? Ikaw ate, may napili ka na?
Yung ano, pwede ka naman bumili.
Yung bread. Gusto mo yan? Yung cheese. Bread. Tapos, ano gusto mong food? Ano po natin yung sharing? Sharing lang? O tayo ng pizza? Pizza, pasta. Mamili ka sa pizza. Tapos kuha din tayo na
What if yung individual parang last plate?
saan pa meron ka?
Kung meron last time eh.
Latte. Pwede mo na to? Relative. Yun na mo.
Ano sa'yo, Shobe? Ito, kay Shan. Chorizo. Ito yung tomato.
Tomato yan.
Ito yung tomato. Ito, Han. Share tayo, Han. Tapos yung pizza dyan. Hi, Shan. Happy birthday, Shan. Oh, you eat your food, ah. What are you having, ate? Ha? Dory. Tikel.
Chorizo.
Ha?
Chorizo.
Ah, chorizo. Same with Shan. Okay. This is soup. Did you have soup already? Happy birthday! Honey! Birthday mo din?
Ito na ginamos. Oh.
Ha?
Ginamos. Dahil sa kabayo.
Nak, eat your food. Yun, may pasta ka doon. This is, ano to? Banana bread? This one?
No, bread lang.
Kasi banana bread.
Wala pa.
What's your message, ate, for Shan?
I hope that you're healthy and happy and do well in school.
Ano yung tomatis nilang sarap?
Happy
Mayroon
birthday!
yung tomatis mo na dito.
Kuya, anong message mo, kuya?
Happy birthday, Sean. I hope you're always healthy and that you'll do well in school.
Daddy. Message, daddy.
Ang saw.
Server. Happy birthday! Si Mami. Ayan, happy birthday, Shan! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Kain na. Kain na yung food mo.
Ano to, okay?
Pwede na.
Sarap lang yung pizza nila, Ken. Sarap. Tikman mo. Sarap.
Huwag ka nga, bigyan mo siya ng isa sa plato.
At yung plato. Yung
Dito
gulay
mo
mo,
lagay.
kung hindi ka kakain ng gulay, ay ako parang kabayo.
Ay, inad mo?
Yes.
O, ano mo? Ito. Kabayo. Ako yung kabayo.
Hot sauce.
This is... Honey. Hi, Shan. I love you. Kahit tupakin ka. Everything. Sige na. Smile. Sige na. Look here. Okay, smile. Okay. Lagay mo, Daddy. Ito yung isa. Okay. Light it, Daddy. Uy, ayaw. Basta magkasikot tingalihan. Okay na? O, doon ka. Okay.
Everyday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday
to you.
Oo, kami lang dito kumaganta. Oh, make a wish, baby.
Everyday birthday, no wish.
Yay! Happy birthday, baby! Ayan, ang cake ni Shan.
No earth.
Happy birthday! I love you!
No earth.
Hello everyone! It's November 12. Hindi na kami nakapag-cut at nakapag-blow ng candle ni Shan last night because we are already tired sa traffic and busog na din kami. So, ito lang, pinapakita ko lang yung cake ni Shan. Pistachio chocolate sa caramia. Ayan. And this is really so good. Pinalagyan ko na din siya ng dedication with additional 50 pesos for that. And this cake is so good. To my dearest son, Shan Hari, happy birthday. You know that mommy and daddy, kuya and ate, loves you very much. And thank you for being such a good boy. And continue doing well in school. Again, happy birthday, my love. My life, my everything, Shan Hari. I wish you good health and be a good boy always. Kahit minsan, we also fight. Pero normal lang naman yan. So, ayun. Thank you so much and I love you. I can see the happiness in your eyes and the playfulness in your actions. Thank you so much for being my son. My family, our family, loves you so much. I love you, baby. And again, happy birthday. And we are here to support you all the way. I love you, Sean, Harry. And so much for now. Thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone. Bye.